Here's how to save Pinterest videos to your gallery. First, launch open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to save an image to your gallery, you can simply open that image. Now tap on the three dots, and here you should be able to find the option of download image. Go ahead and tap on that. However, if you want to save a Pinterest video to your gallery, if you open any video and tap on the same three dots, you're not going to find the option of download. That is because Pinterest does not allow videos to be downloaded to your gallery. If you want to save the Pinterest video, you can tap on the save option, then save it to your board or your profile. In this way, if you want to view this video again, you can simply head over to your profile, then tap on the saved option, and from here you will be able to find that video. But if you want to save this Pinterest video to your gallery, then another workaround is you can simply screen record it. You want to use your device inbuilt screen recorder to record this video. After you have recorded it, you can simply head over to your gallery and this video will be saved over there. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.